We think that although seawater temperature is rising in the Gulf of Aqaba, maybe at a rate that exceeds the global average, still we have about 100 years before these corals will experience bleaching conditions or cross the bleaching threshold.
We try to restore the reef by using these nurseries. The nurseries help for the survival and the growth of the corals. So we took what we call the coral of opportunities. This is coral already broken by anchor or by snorkelers, and we let them grow from 1 year, 1 year and a half until they reach a good size, up to 15 to 20 centimeters. Then we transplant them on the seafloor.
If we're going for a business as usual scenario where we continue to increase our climate emissions, then we are standing to lose the majority of those coral reef systems by 2100. That's at the end of this century. That's about 80 years from now. That's quite substantial and quite important when you look at that.